Hi guys, I am Mr. MD. Are you looking for a good engineer that will build your house from start to finish? Why not try Africo Gold Engineering Services? They are good in building of houses. Their service includes building and construction, interlocking, production, installation, borehole drilling, and sales of cement, and many more. Visit their offices at Prophet Ojo Avenue, Ekae Community off Benin Sapele Road, Benin City, Edo State, Nigeria. Give them a call or through their WhatsApp line on the screen below. And if you are on social media, you can also share them on Gmail, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram as Africo Engineering Services. So they are expecting you right now.